Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find contacts in Messenger. The first thing you need to do is to launch the Messenger app on your mobile device, which of course I have done right here. If you're using the iOS or the Android, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This will allow you to search for specific contacts or people. This is the search bar, click on that, and right here under suggested, you're going to find a list of all your contacts. But if you don't want to go by that, you can just type the name of the person that you want to search. And after doing that, you'll be able to see the contact from there. The second way to go about that is from this chat window, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you see the pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon and it takes you over here. Under the suggested category, you're going to find the list of all your contacts displayed. At the top corner, you have that tool, and then you have type a name or a group. So go ahead and type the name of the person that you want to send a message to from your contact list. And once you do that, you'll be able to send a message. But under the suggested, you're going to see a list of all your contacts. So it's easier for you to just pick from any of them, or just go ahead and type the name or type the group. So let's go over that again. From the chat window, head over to the search. If you're using iOS or the Android, search the name that you want. Let's say favor, and then this is just one person, and you have the connected. So go ahead and click on that, and once you click on this person, you'll be able to send a message to this person. Or click on the pencil icon to the right of your screen, and you're going to see a list of all your contacts on the suggested. That's pretty much the process. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.